Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add highlight on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on your story. Click on the plus icon. Then you need to select any picture or you can take a picture. Then you need to click on this icon with the close friend. And then you need to click on share, and here you can see the option of add to highlight. Click on that. You can add in existing highlights or you can create a new one. I'm going to click on new and name my highlight. Then you need to click on add, and then you need to click on done. So you can see that I add a highlight. Then I'm going into my profile and let me show you a highlight with the name. So you can see that this is the highlight here showing. So by following these steps, you can easily add highlight on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.